Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My two previous videos didn't have an audio. I apologize, but from now on my videos will have an audio. So today's video we're going to see how we can set up a background image, and for the beginners the requirements that you'll need is the JDK, that is the Java Development Kit, and then the IDE. Personally, I'll be using the NetBeans IDE. You can use Eclipse or IntelliJ depending on your preference. We also need the scene builder to design our interface. My code is basically the very basics. Actually, the main reason for this channel is to deal with the very basic codes, which appears to be very important. Kindly subscribe and let's go on. So we'll first create our first project after you open a NetBeans, and then we'll select the JavaFX ML application. We click next, and then rename your application. Let's give it the name background. Background. Sorry. Yeah. And let's finish. So our project is being generated. Yeah, it is. So when you click at the source packages, you have the Java file, fxml, and the controller. But because you're inserting an image, a background image, you'll need the CSS. So you can click at your folder, the background folder, click new, and then select the cascading style sheet, that is the CSS, and then you can rename it. I'll give the name background, and then click finish. So your CSS has been created. So let's you can click select the button, and then the label. Let's delete. Actually, you can delete. You can select both at once. File. So then delete. Then resize your anchor pane. And then inside our anchor pane, we'll insert text. I love Scene Builder because it makes work easier. Just drag and drop. Then resize the text. Let me name it as background. And then on your right, where it's written font, let's increase the font size. Let's resize it. Okay, let's center it. Then what you're going to do, you're going to select the anchor pane, and then make sure it is in properties. Go to the style sheets and click this the CSS. And if you remember, this is our CSS, background CSS. Then you open it, and then let me show you here. So we're going to go back to our NetBeans. I'll show you something, because we want to insert that image in our fxml so that it can read. So in our CSS file, I'm going to this is what you're going to code in. This is a code to insert our image, and then you're going to give the URL. And my picture is in the desktop front end. Then I'm going to copy this, and then I'll go back to my NetBeans and paste it here to my folder and paste it. So inside here we are going to / and then we put the name of the folder, that is background. And then sorry, this is backslash, then / and then you put now the name of the image, that is .jpg. Then you save your work. So when you go back to your fxml at the style class, you select the body bg, and then you save actually your work, exit this page, and then go back to your fxml document and make controller. So let's build our project. And then run the file. And here it is. You have your image, and remember at our CSS we've actually specified 100%. This is to make sure that your image fits exactly inside your page. So this is how it is. I'm so grateful that you've watched this video. Kindly consider subscribing.